Cele, who won't be going back to the National Assembly. Is it many days of rest, perhaps?
Well, when I came out of my mother's womb, I was never a minister. Just it's me, Bheko Cele. When I grew up, I never thought I would be a minister one day. When I do other things, and what's wrong going back as Bheko Cele and just being ordinary South Africans and see other people doing work? Once there is a start, there is an end.
But what do you make of your legacy if you have to reflect on your tenure as a minister, taking into consideration the rampant crime in this country?
Well, I did not start in the police as a minister. I started as a national commissioner. You go and look at your record there. So I left. As I speak now, we're dealing with the capabilities that have been.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBheki Cele uthi akanandaba ngokuphelelwa umsebenzi wakhe. Usho lokhu emva kokuba sekuzwakale ukuthi igama lakhe alikho kwilist yamalungu e-ANC azoyiphalamende. Uthe ngesikhathi zalo wayengeyena ungqongqoshe futhi-ke akaze akhule ecabanga ukuthi uyoba ngungqongqoshe. Yena-ke wazalwa ngoBheki Cele uthi yini wrong uma kebuyela emuva yoba ilungu lomphakathi waseNingizimu Afrika. Abukele-ke abanye abantu-ke nabo bese noma-ke benza umsebenzi. Fisa ukuthi ngizovula khona umbona ukuthi wena cabangani-ke ngalolu daba.